Alright, something to unbox. One bag. I bought the Adventure Medical Kits Trauma Kit. One pack. First and foremost, you can do this exact same thing with cayenne pepper, by the way. What it comes with is quick clot gauze, 3 inches by 24 inches, I think. Yeah. 1 trauma pad, 2 pair of nitrile gloves, 1 duct tape, 2 inches by 26 inches, 1 triangle bandage, 2 steel gauze dressings, 4x4, and then 2 2x2 gauze dressing, 1 conforming gauze bandage, 3 inches, 6 antiseptic wipes, 1 resealable bag, screw you, and 1 trauma response instructions. Do I think it's worth it? No, not really. I will be opening it because I want to see the instructions that they give you. Here's the quick hot. By the way, you can do this exact same thing with cayenne pepper and a thing of gauze pads. A gauze pad. Here we go. I, to be honest, don't think this is worth it. Just because. Oh. And you get duct tape. Oh yeah. Yeah. You get this small little duct tape, you get everything. I mean, it's good because you can have that for... Right. Let's see. Okay, so it shows you how to apply... Okay, good. Sorry. Okay, how to apply a tourniquet. Yeah. Chest injuries. Primary survey. How to form pleural decompression. Shock. Is it toilet paper, initially? Of course, Adventure Medical Kits does this type of thing anyway, like the thing. Then you have shock, fractures, abdominal, belly injuries. How to tell if a bone is fractured, gunshot wound, arrow injury. That's a new one to me. Yeah, I just wanted to see what this looked like. The other stuff is like just basic. I would put some... If it's a trauma kit for wound closures and all that, it's not complete, right? I would actually put some stuff. Oh god, may contain latex. That's the cancer thing, according to California. Get real here. I'm actually putting this into a bag. So, yeah. It's just standard crap that you would find in one of these things. So, yeah. Actually, what is this? What is this? Let's say, This would be a triangle band. Jesus Christ, you can use this for... Okay. Triangle bandages can be used as gauze if you don't have any, by the way. This is for slings and all that. It's 42 inches by 42 inches by 59 inches, which is a decent length. You can probably use this to put more on your face. Yeah. Here are the nitrile gloves. I would put this into a kit. So, yeah. It's just the basic bare bones stuff. Okay, what's this? Basic trauma procedures. Okay. So that's cool. Is it worth it? Not really. Because, yeah. But, I have stuff to put in here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. Honestly. Because I have plenty of stuff to put in here. So not that the most cost is the QuikClot. That's most of the cost. Yeah, that's most of the cost, by the way. QuikClot is like $1,000 gajillion, honestly. So, yeah. Says a may contain cancer warning. I don't care. Next thing you're gonna get cancer from just standing for 5 minutes at a time. But yes, yeah. That's got vitamins and all that. Honestly, one thing you should have in a trauma kit: ground cayenne pepper, and plenty of different size gauze pads. That is a cheap QuikClot. Literally paid what, $1.25 for a thing of, right? So yeah, I opened it because I knew I was going to put it into a kit. So yeah. That's the warranty card. I also got the Samsung S or A50s, which are professional studio reference headphones. So, yeah. Anyway, God bless and peace.